Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Chanut Islamic School and College, and I am Hiba Zulfikar. Never wait for a perfect moment. Just take a moment and make it perfect. Assalamu alaikum and a good morning, my shining stars. But today is 25th June 2020 and the day is Thursday. My shining stars, today we will learn present perfect tense. The plane has landed safely. They have graduated. Congratulations. Federer has lost the semi-final match in Melbourne. Noel has won the Australian Open for the second time. Better, these were the examples of present perfect tense. Now I will tell you the definition of present perfect tense and what is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense tells us about the past and present. Better, present perfect tense in which work has started in past but having result in the future. Present. But now I will tell you how the structure of present perfect tense, how we can form present perfect tense. We will use has and have with past participle. Past participle mean third form of verb. But in positive sentences, I, we, they, you, we will use have. And he, she, it, we will use has. I have gone, you have gone, we have gone, they have gone, he has gone, she has gone, and it has gone. But in negative sentences, I, you, we, they have not gone, and he, she, it has not gone. I haven't not gone, he has not gone. But in interrogative sentences, have I gone, has he gone? Short answer, yes I have, no I have not, yes he has, no he has not. But now I will tell you the use of present perfect tense in daily life. When we use present perfect tense, we see things as happening in the past but having a result in the present. I have bought some gifts. We use the present perfect tense with today and phrases with this. For example, this morning, this week, this year. We have done quite a good job today. When we ask and talk about our experience, have you ever been to London? No, I have not, and you? With just to express the action finished a short time ago. We have just come back from our holiday. With already meaning sooner than expected. I have already finished my dinner. With yet in negative sentences and question when we expect something to happen. Sorry Nick, I have not finished the homework. We can use the present perfect tense with for and since. We use for to say long this period is for 3 days, mean not confirmed days. We use since with confirmed and exact dates. We use day, date and time. We use since to say when the period began, since Friday. Thanks darling, I have not eaten anything since 3 days. Me too, I have not grabbed a bite since Friday. Thank you beta. If there is any difficulty, you may ask from me. Allah Hafiz and have a nice day.